Our new gamer laptops are finally here and they are packed with the newest hardware. We have 6 different models, all with NVIDIA 4000 graphics cards and the Intel 13th generation, the newest generation of CPUs and graphics cards that you can get your hands on. They have DDR5 memory as well, so everything has been upgraded. We have 2 different designs, the 15-inch and the 17-inch. Many have requested we bring back the 17-inch gaming laptop, and we have listened. All the models comes with 240Hz monitors. We have QHD on both of them, which means higher resolution. And the 17-inch has a 4070, 4080 and 4090 version, where the 15-inch has a 4050, 4060 and 4070 version. The processors range from i5 all the way up to i9. So yes, you can get a 17-inch laptop with an i9 13th generation processor and a 4090 graphics card. You can configure the storage space and the memory if you want to have 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory or 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. You can configure it all on our website. And that is how the cookie crumbles.